Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we share the best home decor and DIY ideas to make your space truly shine. Cut to B-roll of round wall mirrors in beautiful settings. Today, we're diving into round-shaped wall mirror decorating ideas that will instantly add elegance and charm to your home. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, or even your entryway, these ideas will inspire you to make your mirror a real statement piece. GTR Section 1. Why choose a round wall mirror? Round mirrors are perfect for softening hard edges in a room and creating a balanced, modern look. Plus, they make small spaces feel larger and brighter by reflecting light beautifully. Section 2. Decorating ideas for round wall mirrors. Minimalist touch. Sometimes, less is more. A simple round mirror with a thin metal frame can look stunning above a console table or sofa. Pair it with neutral wall colors and subtle decor pieces like candles or small vases. Off. Clean, minimalist mirror setups. Boho-style with rattan or macrame. Love a cozy boho vibe? Try adding a rattan-framed mirror or hang macrame wall art around your mirror. It creates a warm, inviting feel, perfect for bedrooms or cozy reading corners. B-roll, boho-styled mirrors with plants and macrame. DIY frame makeover. Feeling creative? You can DIY your own mirror frame using rope, faux flowers, seashells, or even wooden sticks. It's affordable, personal, and super fun. B-roll DIY mirror frame project steps. Gallery wall with a mirror centerpiece. Mix your round mirror into a gallery wall with framed photos, quotes, and art pieces. The mirror will break up the squares and rectangles, making the whole arrangement look more dynamic. B-roll gallery walls featuring round mirrors. Layered look with shelves. Try placing a floating shelf under your round mirror and decorate it with small plants, books, or candles. It adds depth and gives you more styling options. B-roll shelves under wall mirrors with decorative items. Section 3. Quick DIY mirror tips. Check. Make sure to use proper wall hooks and anchors for safety. G. Always clean your mirror before decorating to avoid dust marks. Test different placements before hanging it permanently. Which of these ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see step-by-step tutorials for these mirror projects, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new DIY idea. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next video with more home decor magic.